Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Desti Larasati. I'm a student of Sriwijaya University Faculty Teacher Training and Education, majoring in English Education. Today, I want to tell you about the topic that should students take part-time jobs. Part-time jobs are jobs that have flexible times and are easy to find. Several types of jobs such as teaching, restaurant waiters, mini market cashier, and so on. For some students, having part-time jobs is a personal need to earn money, and for some it's justified to gain skill and experience. Whatever the reason, I don't think it always benefits them with their obligations toward their activities and education at the campus or schools are they study. They have to consider uh, they have to consider something bad that will happen to themselves if they work while studying. So from this, I believe that working while studying leads to many weaknesses or shortcomings towards us as students who are studying on campus, especially in various aspects during their learning at campus or school. Firstly, having a part-time job can be time-consuming, tedious, and interfere with the development of our skill. One of the downsides to having job during college is the time waste to having job it's the time waste to study and resting. Maybe they can get a job that takes so much time, but as a result, they neglect their goals and academics in college. While research has shown that working during college for a high amount of time will make it difficult for students to complete their academic degrees on time. Instead of working commitment, they need to be able to keep their jobs, but they have to start and finish assignment, presentation, and even their other homework at night. As a result, they feel tired, fall sick, and worse, they cannot judge how far their level of ability in class during learning is. In addition, working during lecture can distract students from studying. You need to know, studying in college has some difficult challenge to be responsible for. Universities will more often assign individual or group assignment and research over a long period of time with our responsibilities as a student and completing our obligation to complete a bachelor degrees. For example, lecturer asks for our presentation in class, write a papers, practicums, write a journals, and even have group discussion with classmates outside of class time. The the impact of those who work part-time will be difficult to manage time between studying and discussing with friends with a limited schedule. They do not ensure that they can be consistent and focus on what they achieve in class. In the end, they miss class and then they chance of grading and good grades. In addition, Grunberg and Steinberg in their study argued that adolescents uh, who have part-time jobs will face their academic grades decline. The statement explained that college carry a greater burden on each individual, especially for those who are working. In addition, most part-time jobs are unprofessional and do not have clear career competencies for students' futures. Choosing part-time jobs to achieve a high level of career or improvement in company is a wrong decision. In particular, many students believe that their work can enhance their abilities and qualification for a company, but generally have only qualification as an assistant to an agency or company, while a company want ideally someone with relevant experience and good qualification. In addition, there are some jobs that are not in accordance with the lesson they learn in college. As a result, it can be a drain student time and concentration in class. Thus, from the explanation which part-time work or college is better, is it now the right of each individual determine their goals and careers in the future? However, having a job during college has become a serious challenge for many students who are pursuing their education as well as in college. Every job that is taken has its own competition and risk for those who do not really pursue their work of the divide focus between their work and their obligation as students. However, whatever the consequence, each of us must carefully consider the pros and cons between the two options. For example, will our education be guaranteed? Do we have enough rest time? Is the job beneficial for my career or not? Without with deep thought that careful preparation, part-time work not only disrupts our psychology and rest time, but also decreases academic grades and student activity in class or outside. The classroom turns into a threat and a barrier for students in completing their degrees on time. Not